I come here every day. I get to work with the best people in the world.
The culture, in a nutshell, involves the pursuit of excellence.
GNF is a great place to work.
I really like working here. When you put good people together on good projects, magic happens.
The group of people that I'm working with, I'm just in awe of how amazing they are.
People here work really hard, and personally, I like working hard, and it's great to be around a group of people because it's really motivating.
GNF is an exciting place where we've gotten the best scientists, the most brilliant scientists, in a place with the best technology, where everyone is working together to develop new medicines to treat unmet medical need.
GNF is a very empowering environment.
And the people here just come to work with a high energy, high enthusiasm, knowing what they do matters. Also knowing what they do is very challenging.
We're really engaged by the data, and we work very quickly, and we have a sense of urgency that I think is just kind of self-sustaining. We feed off each other.
I think what makes GNF special is the level of innovation. I don't think anyone is intimidated against bringing forth their ideas. They're willing to stand out, be different, think differently.
They really encourage creativity here.
They're willing to open their minds and think out of the box.
At GNF, it's rather unique because we have this environment where I, as a biologist, can set up the initial assay. The engineers have built the robot. Essentially about 2.5 million compounds that the robot can transfer from the original plate, holding those molecules to our cells.
When you see the robot passing that plate to the dispenser, we made that dispenser. We call it the GNF dispenser, but often we also call it the GNF bottle valve. So we made it because the technology wasn't available to dispense as well as that does. The technology we needed wasn't there.
GNF genomics is about information, but it's also about capabilities. And it's how to take that information and do something useful with it.
We have the freedom to take risks that not everybody has the freedom to do.
We must have places like GNF where there is some freedom to operate, because freedom to operate increases the chances to benefit patients, to be faster in the drug development.
One of the unique things about GNF is that it has 400 or so scientists here, but the scientific experience across those folks is very diverse.
What's unique about GNF is having an engineering group working with the scientists in the same place, shoulder to shoulder every day.
It's unique because it's relatively small, so there is possibility to interact very quickly, very easily, very freely with all the members of the staff.
It's like a toy for kids. You actually are playing with all kinds of chemicals and then putting them together and creating something new.
I really think that there is no fluff here at GNF. They are pursuing projects that involve real disease.
We work on cancer, we work on diabetes, we work on autoimmune disease.
They are choosing the, hard nuts to crack in the way of human disease.
We also have the flexibility here to work on things in the developing world like malaria, parasitic diseases, tuberculosis.
Everyone here really loves what they do. They're very engaged by their research. They believe in their projects.
When I was in grad school, I worked on one thing at a time, okay? And it would take, weeks, sometimes months to get a good result. Well, right now, I work with all 25,000 genes at once every day. And we're only limited by our imagination and how we manipulate them in ways that might be informative for us.
My passion really is to discover that next drug that's going to have an impact on patients' lives.
I want to start from scratch, from a gene we don't know anything about, and take it all the way until we have sick people that get better as a consequence of a compound.
Everyone wants to make a difference. My hope, and the hope of everyone here at GNF, is that we're going to continue to make a huge impact on the practice of medicine and really make a difference in the lives of friends, family, and patients across the world.
I come here every day. I get to work with the best people in the world. I get to sit down and have coffee and bang around ideas every day. I haven't worked a day in 10 years. I can't believe they pay me to do this.